Hello, this is Cameron, showcasing another one of our trade lines that posted this month. This is one of our older trade lines. It works very well on socials and CPNs. This is a PNC. Again, this is a CPN that we did for a client of ours, and we tri-merged it, set up very well. Can we do the LexisNexis scan safe to make sure it's valid, and we set up a Credit Karma account. Once we did that, we added the trade line. This is again, let me click on here. Um, It's going to be 6 years, 4 months. As you see, the older trade line, the higher the score. Sometimes you need two trade lines to get the same effect. But in this case, um, one trade line was enough. Let's see here. Now this, let's see, PNC Bank. 20,000. This is a very good trade line. 20,000, 6 years, 4 months, perfect pay history, authorized user. Hit on both bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. Let's see here. There you go. So as you see, this is when we're showcasing this month. This is PNC. This one here is normally 550, but right now it's going for 495. That is a 6 year, 20,000 trade line. A very good deal. Goes on CPNs and socials, and you see it gives you a nice boost to your profile. If you want any more questions, you can call me. My name's Cameron at 202-213-2218. I also want to give you a little bit of content feedback I've gotten. Learn a little bit about trade lines. I've come across a primary. This is credit my rent. There are many out there that will credit your rent as a primary. This one does it here. You got Credit Karma. You have rent reporters. You have what's the other one? I think Credit Karma or something like that. Rental Karma. That's it. Rental Karma. You got this one here. Credit my rent. This is one I just discovered. I never use this one, but my clients say use it to work very well. You might want to try this one here. I'll put a link below. You can find out more information about it. As I said, you want to have a combination of primary AUs to qualify for credit. You can, however, with the older AU, possibly get an unsecured credit card. It's always, you always try it. It's not exact science when it comes to CPNs, but you can try it. But it goes good to have a primary. Also, I'm going to show here, this is a more popular card. This is Cabela's. This works very well when you walk into a store. You can sign up for a Cabela. This is a retail. Whenever you have let's say maybe two AUs on a CPN, even one AU, that's a nice age AU. You can try and walk into a store and get a retail card. Victoria's Secret, Cabela's. I mentioned last, Collins Furniture, Express, any one of those local stores, at a mall. You walk in there, even a Macy's or something like that, and if you have a score and you have a CPN's been around for about 30 days plus, you stand a good chance of getting some kind of credits. It is possible. Cabela's is one that can possibly get you a credit card. But just think of any local retail store. Get at least one trade line and take a chance. It's only one inquiry. It's not going to hurt you. Make sure you've done the proper public directories and you've got some age on it, about 30 days old on the CPN. Just take a chance. Or maybe after you add this one right here with the primary, that would increase your chances. But you can always try with Cabela's or on your local store, retail store. It might work. It might work. Also, when you walk into a store, the security level is lowered because you're actually there. You're in person, so they don't have the strict security protocols as it would if you were applying online. That would increase your chances of being approved for retail cards when you walk into a store. That's all I have for today. Give me a call if any questions. Again, we're still doing credit sweeps. We do business loans. And of course, trade lines and CPNs. Call me at 202-213-2218. Have a great day.